Marketing is changing. The old ways of reaching customers aren't as effective. Businesses need new tools to stand out. This is where ONPASSIVE comes in. It's a new way to think about marketing. It uses technology to make marketing easier and more efficient. ONPASSIVE represents a shift from manual labor to automated solutions. Instead of spending hours on repetitive tasks, businesses can focus on what matters. This includes building relationships and creating great products. ONPASSIVE helps businesses adapt to the digital age. Traditional marketing still has its place, but ONPASSIVE offers a glimpse into the future of marketing. It's a future where technology works for you, not the other way around. Before we continue, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe below. Thanks. ONPASSIVE is all about automation. It uses artificial intelligence to do the heavy lifting in marketing. This means tasks like finding customers and sending emails are done automatically. Imagine having a team working 24/7 to promote your business. That's the power of ONPASSIVE. One of the biggest advantages of ONPASSIVE is its ability to target the right people. Instead of broadcasting a message to everyone, ONPASSIVE pinpoints those who are most likely to be interested in your product or service. This targeted approach leads to higher engagement and better results. Another benefit is the data-driven approach. ONPASSIVE tracks everything. It knows who clicked on your ad, who visited your website, and who made a purchase. This valuable information helps you understand your customers better. You can then refine your marketing strategies for even greater success. ONPASSIVE is not just about automation, it's about working smarter, not harder. It frees you from tedious tasks so you can focus on growing your business. Traditional marketing refers to methods we've known for years. Think TV commercials, billboards, and print ads. These methods rely on reaching a broad audience. They still have their strengths. One advantage is familiarity. People understand traditional marketing. A well-placed billboard or memorable jingle can leave a lasting impression. Effective for local businesses reaching specific areas. Traditional marketing builds brand awareness. Large campaigns make your brand recognizable. Section 4. Measuring success. ONPASSIVE versus traditional marketing. Evaluating the effectiveness of your marketing efforts is crucial. Both ONPASSIVE and traditional marketing offer ways to track results. However, they differ significantly in their approach and the level of detail they provide. ONPASSIVE excels in providing comprehensive data. It tracks everything from website visits to email opens and click-through rates. This allows you to measure the return on investment of your campaigns with precision. You can see exactly which strategies are working and which need adjustments. Traditional marketing, on the other hand, often relies on estimates and assumptions. It's difficult to measure the direct impact of a billboard or a TV commercial. You may know how many people were exposed to the ad, but you don't know how many took action. The ability to track results accurately is a significant advantage of ONPASSIVE. It empowers businesses to make data-driven decisions, optimize their campaigns, and maximize their marketing ROI. Section 5. Finding the right fit. Your business, your choice. Choosing between ONPASSIVE and traditional marketing depends on your specific needs and goals. Some businesses may find that a combination of both approaches works best. ONPASSIVE's automation can be a game changer for small businesses. It allows you to compete with larger companies without breaking the bank. Maximize your marketing ROI by reaching the right people at the right time. Larger companies may benefit from traditional marketing to maintain brand awareness. Even these companies can leverage ONPASSIVE to enhance their digital marketing efforts. Section 6. The future of marketing, embracing innovation. The marketing landscape is constantly evolving. New technologies and platforms emerge, changing how businesses connect with their customers. In this dynamic environment, adaptability is key to staying ahead of the curve. ONPASSIVE represents a significant step towards the future of marketing. It embraces automation, artificial intelligence, and data-driven decision-making. By leveraging these technologies, businesses can streamline their marketing efforts, improve their ROI, and focus on building meaningful relationships with their customers. While traditional marketing methods may still hold value, The future belongs to those who embrace innovation. OnPassive offers a glimpse into this future, a future where marketing is more personalized, efficient, and effective than ever before. By embracing new technologies and adapting to the changing landscape, businesses can position themselves for success in the ever-evolving world of marketing. For more information about OnPassive and successful marketing approaches, please go to the description below. Thank you, and have a great day.